Eggs are known for their protein-rich content and are a favorite addition to the breakfast meal. Besides simply frying them, there are a number of ways to cook eggs as well as to present them in creative ways. Here is the catering equipment for making neat and creative egg dishes. Egg rings. You get a few options when it comes to this catering equipment. There are round or square ring options as well as an omelets ring. This product allows you to fry the contents neatly in perfectly round or square shapes. When you present it on a plate, it will look professional and immaculate. Egg lifters. Lifters are more of an essential type of catering equipment. It allows you to lift the fried foods gently off the pan to avoid it from breaking apart. Neatly lifted fried foods will remain whole and create a well-ordered appearance on the breakfast plate. Egg poachers. This catering equipment comes in different sizes. It all depends on how much you want to make. These are containers that have 4 or more cups inside them. Inside each cup you can load the ingredient and float them in water until it comes to a boil. The result is an oil-free perfectly formed poached egg. Egg slicers. This product is usually made with aluminum wires that are able to create thin and even slices. Once you've boiled the eggs, you can slice them evenly and layer them one slightly over the other to create a neat patterned layer. It is ideal for a buffet setup as well as for platters. Add some tomatoes and cucumber slices in between to create some color on the platter. Egg wedgers. Instead of slices you can make wedges. They are thicker than the standard slicers and you can get creative with the way you lay them on the plate. You can either layer the wedges on the sides or all around along the edge of a round platter. Or you can place the wedges upright with the yolk part facing upwards. You can place them in star patterns or circular patterns for interesting presentation. Sometimes it's the simplest catering equipment that can give you the creative freedom you want when it comes to making meals more exciting. Something as basic as a slicer or a wedger can be the basis for well-styled plate. It's all up to your imagination as to the interesting food presentation you come up with. Thanks for watching. Please check out previous videos, I know you'll love it too. Click the free subscribe button before that getting paid and hit the bell icon for upcoming fantastic cooking tips and facts. Bye.